Okay, everybody, the video today is going to be about trying to get this pine tree taken out that's behind Robin in this picture. This picture was taken about 7 or 8 years ago, so that tree has grown substantially. I would guess it's 30 to 35 foot. And anyway, we're having it taken out because the birds poop all over all the cars and make a mess out of the riverbed over there and tear up the shingles on the house.
Ay, dale vuelta a esa madre. Dale vuelta a la cadena, güey. Se nos va a soltar otra vez. El ajuste. Ya lo voy, chico. No, ese, güey. Desde que apretan la cadena, güey. Live, es Facebook Live.
It's going. There you go.
Miguel. It's going.
Well, this is what's left of about a 30 or 35 foot pine tree that was on the corner of our house. When we moved in, that stump that you see over there, the tree was underneath the eave of the house. But it eventually grew to out of control, and 10 gazillion birds pooping on everything in sight around here. So there it is now.